Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in online marketing, we'll discuss about mobile advertising. What is mobile advertising, the different types of mobile advertising, what are the best practices you can think of actually using mobile advertising as a tool to actually do your online marketing activities. Let's get started with it. What is mobile advertising in the first place? Mobile advertising is the method of advertising that appears on mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. All those ads that you see when you are watching a movie or you are actually browsing through a website, the ads that appear on various websites, blogs, or any video that you are watching, any image that you are looking at, any app that you are browsing, the ads actually driven through the advertiser through a publishing network. And those ads that appear on the mobile devices or tablets are basically the mobile advertising ads. Advertising can take place, it could be a text ad via SMS. Text messaging is huge. Text message is displayed, then the ad will also be appearing. Then banner advertising that appears embedded in a mobile websites. All those responsive websites that you see of various platforms, of various niche, of various industries, the ads keep popping up either in the top or on the bottom. Or even when you are opening any website or an app, before the app appears, there is an app that is an ad that pops out, and those are actually the banner ads and the text ads that appear in the mobile websites. Mobile apps and mobile games, all the mobile apps, whether it's a news mobile app or games mobile app or any other mobile app that you are using, that you have downloaded in your smartphones, whenever you open those apps, the ads keep coming dynamically, they keep changing. Now you see an ad, particular ad, the next time you open the ad, there will be a different ad. Those ads are actually published by various companies, advertisers through an advertising network. The same thing happens in the mobile games also. The way it actually works is, there is a particular advertiser who wants to advertise their businesses, who want to promote their businesses. It could be services, solutions, or products. Then there is actually a website, it could be a games website, it could be any other mobile app, or it could be a news publishing house. Now what happens is, say for example a CNN.com. CNN.com has a mobile app and they actually publish ads. An advertiser actually publishes an ad on CNN.com. It may happen directly, it may not happen directly. What happens is, between the publisher and the advertiser, there is a publishing network. It is actually a different company altogether. What their job is, basically they get ads from the advertisers, and those ads are published on various websites, various blogs, various mobile apps, and various games apps. And when these ads actually appear, the revenue is shared between the advertising network company and the advertiser, and the advertiser actually pays the network person, a network company, and that actually revenue is shared between, say, the publisher and the network company. This is how actually the ads appear and ads are displayed and revenue is generated through mobile advertising. What are basically the objectives of these ads? To create an awareness on the business and the products. Precisely to the point, the businesses that actually want to increase their visibility, increase their brand awareness, promote their products, services, and solutions, they actually publish those ads, and these ads are actually published on various websites, and whatever the money that is paid by the advertiser is shared between the advertising network and the publisher. To increase the visibility of the brand, if you want to increase the visibility of the brand, that is one of the reasons, one of the objective why ads are placed on the mobile. To drive web traffic to the website, landing pages, or the web store. If you have a particular website or a landing page where you are selling certain solutions or products, or even if you have an app that is available in App Store and you want people to actually download those apps, what basically you do is, you put up an ad and there is a link to that particular in that ad. When users click on that link in the ad, they may either go to the website, they may go to the landing pages, or to the app store, where the user actually interacts and engages on the landing pages or the websites, and if they are interested, they may be buying those products. To generate leads, obviously to generate leads, when you actually driving traffic to your website and landing pages through the app advertising, the users will be coming there, and they are interested, they will be actually interacting and communicating with those companies. That actually precisely what lead generation is all about. When they are further interested, the conversions happen when the user buys those particular products from that company who has actually published the ad. These are some of the objectives of publishing the ads on mobile devices and tablets. There are different types of ads that actually appear. One is of course the SMS ad, the text based ads. Companies keep on sending SMSs, text messages to us to promoting their businesses or the products. Then you have the web display ads. The web display ads will appear like this. Then you have got the search ads. You see, it could be a Google ad or a Bing ad. The ads will appear on your mobile devices. Then app display ads will also be there. There are apps available across multiple stores. When you download the apps, the ads will be coming from the pop-up. Then you have the push notifications, the pop-up ads that actually appear whenever you are browsing through an app or a mobile enabled website or a responsive website or a blog or a landing page. So these are the various kinds of ads that actually appear on mobile devices. These are basically called as mobile advertising. Besides this, there could be some video advertisements also. In terms of talking of video advertisement, there are a few guidelines that you need to think of before actually implementing the video advertising on mobile apps. On mobile advertising, landscape aspect ratio should be 4:3, 16:9 and 11:9. These basically are the landscape ratios. File format should be WMP, AVI, MOVI, MPEG or .3 GB. These can be the formats. Audio quality should be 16-bit, 44 kHz. Stereo type is preferable when you are actually publishing a video ad on mobile devices. That is basically mobile advertising. Then you have got video quality should be 200 kbps, 20 to 30 frames per second. That should be the quality of your video. Avoid using fast moving videos because it is the small devices, it could actually complicate things, and the video could be slowing down because of the nature of the devices that you are using. So avoid using fast moving videos. Avoid rapid scene changes. This may also go against the videos that you want to display through video advertising on mobile devices. That is video marketing. Avoid using small font for advertising messages. The font should have to be a big one but responsive in nature. Make sure that they are responsive in nature and the fonts are a little bigger. Avoid using dark shots. It will be difficult for the viewers to see those ads on the smartphones or the tablets when you are doing mobile advertising. So these are some of the guidelines you can think of implementing when you are doing video advertising through mobile devices. That is actually mobile advertising. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is mobile advertising, objectives of mobile advertising, types of mobile advertising and the video advertising guidelines. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.